Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas, with a really clean, low mileage 2013 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide I want to show you. This is a sweet, sweet ride. That paint is called Midnight Pearl. In the sun you can see the metallic in it, and it looks like a black base with maybe some blue and silver flake. In the shade it looks black. Fork legs look real good. Hub's nice and clean. It's got the factory silver flames on it here. Trimmed in the blue, looks real nice. 103 motor, blacked out motor. Got a 6-speed transmission, forward mount foot controls. Got the factory exhaust on it. Runs fairly quiet. Set up for 2-up riding with this buddy pad back here, but now that'll come right off. If you wanted to make a solo out of it, these wide glides really make a good looking solo bike. See, that paint's just beautiful. Excellent tire on the rear. That would be the original tires because it does have such low miles on it. Let's take a look at it, listen to it. It's got 904 miles. You can tell it's factory exhaust because she's pretty quiet. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the planet, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company and Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Call us today at 817-985-8888. Thanks for looking.